Okay. Loneliness is always sticking at the door. If find me when any has been around since then. Loneliness is always looking for a friend. It's me now, it's let me dead. Oh, oh, why is it broken? Anyway, I done a sad pee this morning because my girl not there around with me. You know, actually she get good reason why she not go take day around today. You know, she don't run around for her, you know, her things. You understand? Very, very soon. I also hear the full gist of the happy news. I don't already see the entering of the whole team. Now also see the full squad of the every. I believe they talk parable though, but don't worry, you go understand when the day come. Friday, on behalf of Maya, why we not day today? Friday, yeehaw, riha, Marie. Now me say this night, turn up, turn up, turn up. Any which way, how na day? Hope everybody did very, very kajad. Now your boy Ogbolo, and of course on top today's show now, not only me they run today now just party. But on a good in a party show, but my second party not there here. But any which way we go to run the whole level. All right, how na day? Hope so na nights go very well. This of now we don't come back from work, carbo. This of now we just go work. Now we're done. Any which way, all join. All right. Some people they work for night, some they work for morning. Different people and their different work. All right. So they welcome now officially to party show today. Just give us some kind gist. We get funny videos then back to back for everybody. And today, now the birthday of our biggest, Rakaye, Majakayada. Today, one of our biggest, our Madam Pata. You know, so for this place, we get Madam, we can't get Madam, can't get the Madam Pata. The woman how they hold our Pata for. You know, for things. You know, she hold her for work. To her birthday, Madam Sada, they say happy birthday to you. God will bless you. Thank you for all the motherly things we they do. They come since. Thank you for the hustle. If not, you now join her together for not see this work do. So they say thank you to you. God will bless you. We continue to keep on for this particular work. I will not say your bros will be the guy himself, pata of the every. Himself, they follow the thank God for your birthday. So happy birthday to you, Madam Sada. God bless you. God bless your family. Continue to keep inside good health. And you continue to be there for us, not shaking. All right. So we they go on this break. Now by the time we come back from the break, we'll carry every they go one by each. All right. So we'll see this particular one. We'll come back now. Quickly, make we do yarn things because now they'll get all the gist for now. All right, so yarn. Okay. My good All right. I should be like this now. Okay, my first gist for this particular morning. You know, say Obodo Igbo police them. See, we're supposed to learn many things from all over the world. Even as all over the world, they learn many things from us too. Knowledge, they ever feel waste. So somehow, you got to learn from somebody. Now, for Obodo Igbo, now this particular gist happened. One mama like that, she just enter labor. You guess they just rush him. Go hospital. Until say emergency things. Okay, make I say she enter emergency things. Not really labor like that, but she just enter emergency. So they all rush and go hospital. As they rush and go hospital, now she can't leave her 5 children there for house. Who go take care of them? Who will take care of the children? Who go take care of the children? Not being police enter the house, based on saying that they can't help for the every. As they just enter the house, they can't see 5 children. They everywhere. Hungry, they catch there. They cry, mommy. The police, they can't notice, say, if like say these children, they're hungry. Guess what in America police they do? They enter inside kitchen, they cook food for these children. You see them now? They cook better food for the children. Where they cook the food finish, they give all the children the food, serve the correct food. They shop where? They do a fried egg sandwich for the children with some kind of fruit by the side for the corners. You make sure that they're okay. All right? So after everything, they give the children food. The children chop belly full finish. They can't see enter kitchen again, wash all the plates before they can't come out, can't go continue with their work. You see police? When they see police, police. This will not be packed. Not be bell up you. Not be inner light for hot afternoon. This one now, they enter house, go arrange things, and I mean. I just like they can clap for them. They do correct work. Now this kind of one, you go say the police is your friend. This one, I mean your friend. No, you go hold you for trial, they put you inside cell. They say, we are still your friends. No, this one are your friend. All right, so even though I know our policemen, they try for this country, but at the same time, they can still do far better. They can do far better. So correct one. I create thumbs up to those particular policemen. Then we go arrange food for those children and constantly wash the plates for inside kitchen. Una do it. All right. This one for those of now we know Jamie Foxx. Jamie Foxx, an American actor, stand-up comedian. He also sing, and a very big name for Obodo Oyibo when it comes to entertainment. Jamie Foxx now, you see, I don't always tell parents, I beg, one of the best things where you feel do for your children are to leave lasting legacy. Lasting legacy. Now I say, as matter they go, as you they increase, somehow, leave correct legacy for your children. Make them follow you for back. Jamie Foxx now, he born one of, he got different children, but he get the most elder one, what they call Corinne Foxx. Now, Corinne Foxx, 21 years old babe, if you see that girl, she fine pieces. Like, we'll show the picture now. Piecesly beautiful girl. She said, I've grown up watching my dad establish himself as a well-respected actor. He said, now they don't honor her one correct award. They don't name her Miss Golden Globe 2016. Say now they don't honor her with the HFPA, where they don't carry give her now opportunity to share the same stage where they don't recognize her papa over the years. So for her right now, very, very big thing. She don't learn many things from the father. She herself now can say, okay, on top of the same stage, now they go there to do some kind of things on top of that particular day of the award. Saying a very, very big one for her because she don't learn many things from her. And him don't become like model, the right model for her, even for her journey so far. I don't find watch one interview some time back where two of them be the interview, two of them. If you see the love between these two, and not be joke, in first speaking, not be joke. That father-daughter love for this particular one, they only take and play. So congratulations to Jamie Foxx and of course in daughter Corinne Foxx. On top of this one, they name him for the Miss Golden Globe 2016. A very, very big one for any young person for Obodo Oyibo. Very, very big one. They give that kind this thing honor. Might not be joke. Now me say you they try. Okay, so our parents they for outside there, muna do na best possible. Raise up your children the way we una know say even about God won't make una raise them. All right, so that una self go sit down one day. They will call them for up. They can't give them some kind of big award. They can't say, eat not for my mother, eat not for my father. I will not be here today. All right? But in case parents, or maybe you don't reach where you don't too grow. You know what I can't take from parents or something. You as a person, especially like we, maybe the young ones, grow up in such a way where you can't born your own children. Maybe they say learn from you the things them way they got to learn about life. All right? Okay, at this juncture, we'll take a small break. By the time we come back from this break now, pam, we'll continue one or two gists. We'll tune a video. Pa. All right? Not go anywhere. Now still party show. Your boy Obolode here in absentia, Mayowa and Every. We they come back. Okay. Not go try for house, so because you go try this kind of for house now. See, make I tell you, if you're born not rich, not go try it. Always particular people there, they're born there with this kind of thing. Their bone fit on to rubber, if it on to bone. If your own now, if your own na cement, don't try it. No sellotape for bone, no super glue for bone. If he break, he break. Okay? And if you be elderly person, say you be mama for papa for house, you don't old well. You won't go try this thing. Please, I take God beg you, not try it. Because things are happening these days. All right? Okay, quickly. Make I take this next gist sharply. Inside South Africa, now this won't happen. SA to be precise, South Africa, brethren, South Africa. Two Zimbabwean women, that's two women from Zimbabwe, that they work inside one farm for South Africa. They be workers for there, they help them, they arrange the whole farm and every. Bagger down. You know what they go do? The two women go thief meat. Now the Oga can catch them. Fat meat like this. They always go grab and move the meat. Bam! Now the Oga catch them. Bail up you there. Bail up you. See the two women picture? Now they go move the meat and now it don't put them for trouble. She say some kind meat the way you go thief. Now prison you dey go. This will not be all those meat for pot, no be meat for inside the stew, or for inside soup, or for inside rice, or inside anything. This one are meat for farm. When they moved. This one they moved it. As it be like this now, they don't put their picture all over internet. They can't strap the meat join their body. Now be their mode of escaping, but they can't catch them on top of the whole level. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. If you don't say they involved for this kind of matter, no worry. No one day they go grab you. So you got to stop now before your day of reckoning go reach. Okay? So please desist from every act of thievery for your own sake, for your own good, for the good of your family, and for the reputation we don't build so far as a person. All right? Thank you very much. Zimbabwean women, I believe, say, how you go even be said they can't enter prison? Other prison women come they ask this one. They ask this one. Say, what did you do? He say, I kill somebody. What did this one do? He say, man, I went to destroy somebody's house. They come ask them, what did you do? He say, I steal meat. Other prisoners go even beat you. Other prisoners will beat you. So just calm down. Like I talked yesterday, me and Mayowa, black person will go enter inside shop. The only thing we fit thief now to go thief toothpaste come out. I mean, what's wrong with you? Yeah? All right. Finally, the final gist I get for hand here, and another better thing will happen inside Africa. The high quality diamond, we then talk to be the biggest discovery so far. In more than a century, they don't discover this particular high quality diamond for inside one mine for Botswana. They talk say this particular gist now the mine company Lucara Diamond Corp, and they carry this gist come out. They say that the world's second largest diamond in over a century. They don't see them for inside Botswana. And they say this particular thing a very, very big thing for them for there. And they say the magnificent stone will come from south lobe of Lucara Karowe mine for inside Botswana there, and the world's second largest gem quality diamond ever recovered, and the largest ever to be recovered through modern processing facility. Now the company don't bring out this one, but they're happy. Say now very, very good thing we don't happen so far inside Botswana, and they see they find how they'll take clean everything come out to take carry this correct diamond. They say this one pass 1,000 carat too. But the first one they first see, and for instance South Africa, that one at 3.106 carats. But this one now for inside Botswana. One day they go see for Nigeria. One day we go see for Nigeria. We just hope so no go throw inside gutter. Play. Because sometimes we know they keep sorting. Yeah, but one day we go see for this country. Amen. Amen. All right, now that carry all the gist come for today own, and now that will finish every on a Friday P, on the 3rd of Friday and every. All right, so right now we'll go for Laugh the Laugh. We come back from Laugh the Laugh, and then we go say bye bye to all of you now, boss. These videos they make all of you just laugh and enjoy yourself. All right. And as it be like this, we got to come up inside the studio. But make una get better weekend, make una love on ourselves. No worry. By this time next week, by Monday, Mayowa go day here with us, and all of us go run the full package. All right. But jam us on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Of course, jam Mayowa on top Twitter too at Mayowa Lambe. Me at Funny Ogbolo. All right. And follow the station at Wazobia TV NG. All right. So we go see you now. May una get better weekend. God bless everybody. And of course, stay true to yourself. Love the next person. Just stay happy. You know, get choice. Turn up. We love you. Take care of yourself and every. Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.